Hi there! In this quick video, we'll show you how to use the Switchboard Autostart feature. The Switchboard Autostart feature will allow you to automatically start multi-streaming to your destinations simply by starting the stream from your encoder. With the Autostart feature turned on, now you don't have to log into your Switchboard account and press Go Live for your destinations, saving you an extra step. The Autostart feature is turned on per destination group. Let's begin. To enable the Autostart feature, press the pencil icon located at the top left of the destination group. The Edit Group pop-up window will open. Scroll down to the Autostart toggle button. Click on the button to turn it on. Green means that the Go Live Autostart feature has been enabled. Press Save to confirm. A green pop-up bar will display at the bottom of the workflow page to indicate a change has been applied to the destination group. When it's time to go live, start sending video from the encoder. In a few seconds, you'll be live to the destinations that have been grouped together. When you're ready to end your broadcast, simply stop streaming from your encoder, and the live video will stop publishing to the destinations. Now you know how to use the Switchboard Autostart feature. Thanks for watching, and happy multi-streaming!